Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Today we are visiting a complaint site where we have found a massive overflow and found that it was a very difficult for the residents to come out from their houses. Staff have been found the block portion, the block span, and trying to unclog the sewer line or drain with the help of steel bar. It is a conventional method to unclog a sewer line, which I have been already explained in my previous video. Let me show the condition of the streets. Here is the first point where the sewer is overflowing. It was difficult for pedestrians to walk through it. The second point where is the sewer line is overflowing is the worst point that blocked the whole street. As I earlier told you that it was difficult for the residents to come out from their houses. You can see the street is packed with the sewage. Now the staff is pulling out the steel bar. Every time it come out, it brings the blockage which is injected with this steel bar. ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਉਹ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੁਣ ਗਲੀ ਉੱਚੀ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਮਾੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਤਾਮਨ ਕਰੋ ਨਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹਦਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਕੜਾ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰ ਕਰਵਾ ਦਿਓ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਲੋ ਕੜਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਉੱਚਾ ਕਰਵਾ ਦਿਓ
Here we go. The steel bar has been pulled out and the blockage has been removed from the sewer pipe. This blockage consists of plastic bags, wires, hairs, leaves, and sharpened things like razors, blades, and glass and whatnot. You can find everything in this manhole. Staff is using his naked and exposed hands to remove this blockage because he has not any other option. चल गया. After removing the blockage, the steel bars they are making straight it again so that they can use it again. ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ. Sewer line is got functional from this point, and the level of previous manholes are decreasing gradually. You can see that this manhole was overflowing, but now it's taking water inside. Now the last two manholes are remaining. You can see street is full of sewage. Children cannot play outside because they have small houses. They have to play outside. But after the condition like this, it is difficult for the children to come out and play. Jetter machine has been called to open the last two manholes.
नहीं नहीं
We want to make it early or quick as possible because this is the month of July, which is the most busy part of the year as far as sanitation is concerned, because this is the not developed areas. So in these areas, in the known sewer line got surcharge, and you cannot find the empty manhole or the manholes where the level of sewage is fully down. So it is possible only in the early morning. After the morning, the sewer lines start getting surcharge. Most part of the street is clear now, as you can see. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.